Hey guys, Apurba this side. Welcome to another video of Primestock review. So Primestock is basically a searchable photo gallery or premium footage gallery where you get endless supply of premium stock resources, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands plus tons of hours of your work and research. Here you can see Primestocks has everything you need, and here you can see you get 1 million plus HD plus premium stock videos, 10,000 plus 4K premium stock videos, 20K high quality vectors, 3 million plus high quality royalty free photos, and or in most niches 5,000 plus in icons and vectors, multiple niches, search and share from 50,000 GIFs, 100 plus vectors, 1200 plus animated icons, premium mockups in multiple size and objects, premium image editor. So we are here at the dashboard of Primestock, as you can see. So this is my account, and here you can see I have access of this account. So this is my email ID. So we will go through all the features of the software, and you will going to see some bonuses which I pick for you. So you will get all of these bonuses if you get it from my link, and we are talking about the prices of this software. Okay, so and some cons also. So please stick with me in this video and hit the subscribe button if you like the video, and comment down below your thought about this software. Okay, so let's start the video. So this is a Primestock dashboard, and here you can see you need to search your keyword which you want to pick for, like HD image, automated GIF, HD videos, find icons, all are separated, separate menu. Here you can see. So you just need to put some keyword, like I just put here, sorry, funny. And here you can see some HD images are there, so you can download this image directly, and you can directly share on your social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. You didn't get more social media accounts integration, which is a cons of this software. So you just need to download it, or you can edit it from two platforms. Here you can see there is one which name is Photopia, and the other one is Pixo Editor. So Pixo Editor is a advanced editing option you get. So I recommend you to edit your photos on Pixo Editor, so you will get more options to customize your photo. Okay, so here you can see some photo. Just you need to click on load mode, and more HD funny images are came. Here you can see. So there is same in the different niche and different category. So in the animated GIFs, you need to put a keyword like morning. So here you can see the GIFs are come. Okay, so here you can see some GIFs are come. So you just need to download it, or you can directly share on your social media platforms. Okay, same on the HD videos, same on the find icons, illustrations, stickers, image and videos, motion backgrounds. And you will get some PowerPoint templates, green screen videos, animation characters for pro version. So you need to upgrade your software to the pro version for using this kind of feature. Here you can see 4K ultra HD videos, high quality sounds. So you need to upgrade your software for this. So these are the actual features. So let's talk about some bonuses which you get from my side. Okay, so let's see the bonuses. So the first exclusive bonus is 6,63,000 YouTube views case study. So you will get a case study on how they make this kinds of huge amount of views on their YouTube channel. So how to find and close high paying clients. So this is the actual course. Okay, next here you can see viral secrets exposed. After that, dominate YouTube without showing your face or voice, 10,000 and 6,000 leads case studies. There is some case studies also. Personal branding blueprint. Next here you can see storytelling marketing, Pinterest profits, wire triggers, Facebook ad secret advanced scaling. So these are the exclusive bonuses, and let's talk about some semi-exclusive bonuses, which is image link. So GPL reseller rights to create interactive shoppable product category news, photography and infographics in minimalistic way. Okay, next here you can see WordPress social stream. After that, messenger auto reply, what you can use for your like banner ads or ads. Okay, so next is WhatsApp chat WP. So you can add a widget like this. Here you can see this is the actually messenger widget, but you can add your WhatsApp widget on your website. Okay, here you can see RB system. Next is opt-in spin, I am niche seller letters, buyers list blueprint, the unshakable super affiliate, 3 steps to build a 100k to 1 million per year business online. This is a actually blueprint which what you get. Okay, so this is my bonus page, and you will find this link, this article link in the description. The first link will be this bonus page link or the article link. Okay, I write a full review article on this software. So here you can see some why would you believe on us, and the relevant details on the software. Here you can see the creator name, the release date, which is the 1st July. So the front end price is $47 to $67. So niche is everyone who is online. Okay, what is Primestock is all about, the creator of the Primestocks, the how Primestocks work. Okay, what can I do with Primestocks footage. So this is the income streams I am talking about. Next, here you can see what I get in the software. So there is some features and benefits what you get. Okay, who is perfect for the software, like video creator, affiliate marketer, entrepreneurs, all are there for using this software, because all need these kinds of footage, these kinds of royalty free HD footage for their campaigns, for their video creation, for their social media updates. So they need these kinds of Primestocks photos. Okay, let's talk about the prices of Primestocks. The front end price is only $47, which is $47 to $67. So we will get, here you can see some features of this front end. So the front end price is $47 to $67. So $47 you will get a basic version, and for $67 you will get a premium version. Okay, so here you can see the side by side comparison of between basic and premium version. So you didn't get any kinds of 4K HD stock videos to 1200 animated icons on the basic version. So you can roam around the sales page by clicking on these buttons. Okay, so you can roam around there. Let's talk about the upgrade of the software. So what you want, which is Primestock Pro. For Primestock Pro you need to pay $47 for basic version and $67 for premium version. So here you get powerful video editor, 1 million plus 4K Ultra HD videos, 1000 plus green screen backgrounds, over 500 plus easy to customize PowerPoint videos, 1200 animated icons, 100 vector characters, regular monthly updates, and commercial rights also. Audio 2 is same, $47 for basic, $67 for premium, which is a prime sound version. So you will get perfect background music and sound for your videos with only a keyword right away. Huge library of 5 million HD premium soundtracks, 20 categories. Audio 3 is Primestocks reseller license, which you will get at $197 for basic and $297 for premium. So you will sell this software to 50 customers and get 100% profit for basic version and 250 customers for premium version. Here you can see, and with our sales material for best conversion, so you will get all of their sales materials like banner ads, like email swipes, like everything what they use for their promotion. You will get all of this. Okay, next here you can see create accounts for your clients using your reseller dashboards in one click. You you will handle support of your all clients. Okay, so these are the premium reseller version of for your reseller upgrades. Okay, so these are the basics information about the software, and let's talk about some cons of the software. So in the software you didn't get a scheduling option, which I think they have to provide, because if you integrate all of your social media platforms to the same software, then you can control all of your social media platforms and post videos or stock image, editable image in from their platform easily. So that will be very helpful for marketer like me who wants to update their social media platforms every day. Okay, so I think this is the backdrop of the software. So if you want to get these kinds of stock image, these kinds of premium royalty free videos, gifs and stickers, background musics, then you can check out one link in the description. The first link will be this article link. Okay, so after getting on this article, you need to click on these kinds of button here. You can see click here to get Primestocks at the special discount. So if you buy it for 3 days, first 3 days of launch, which is 1st July, 2nd July and 3rd July, then you get a discount. So discount will be automatically updated on your checkout page, so you don't need to put any kind of coupon code or anything. So that's it guys, and I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Primestocks is. You can check out this full article in the link of the description. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye.